Hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking how to move your contacts out of DealMachine and into BatchLeads, and I totally get it. Most of you are already skip tracing with BatchLeads or batch skip tracing anyway, so why not save yourself time and money by putting everything into BatchLeads? Well, I've got great news. It's extremely easy to do, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in 10 simple steps. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing you more educational content for free. Okay, so step one. Hopefully this is the last time you'll ever need to do this. Log into your DealMachine account. Next, click Leads on the top menu of your screen. Select the leads you want to export to BatchLeads. Then click Lead Actions in the top right and navigate down to Export Leads. Make sure you have properties selected and not contacts. BatchLeads is a property-centric platform, so you'll need the property info to import your records. You'll type in the email address you want to send the leads to and then click Submit. Keep in mind that DealMachine has export limits, so you might want to do this right before your billing cycle resets. That way you can export as many properties as possible before canceling your account. Then you'll head to your inbox and find the email that DealMachine sent you. You just click the link to download the Excel file. And now we're already at step 5. See how easy this is? You're going to open your BatchLeads account and navigate to My Lists. Then you're going to click the Import button at the top and select Bulk Import. Your interface might look a little bit different from mine, but either way, the Import button is at the top of the My Lists section. Step 7, upload your exported DealMachine file by clicking or dragging it into this area right here. Next, map the correct fields. This basically means that if your Excel column says property-address-line 1, you'll match it to property address in BatchLeads. At minimum, you need to map property address, city, state, and zip code. Before we move on to step 9, I want to point out this part right here. BatchLeads automatically refreshes your property data as soon as new information becomes available. For example, if a property is vacant and it moves out of vacancy status, the system will automatically change your record. However, if you want to manage the data yourself, you'll select Self-Manage before moving on. Okay, now for step 9. You'll create a new list or choose an existing list to add these properties to. You can also add tags to keep yourself organized. Lastly, click Submit. And that is it. Your data should start updating right away. And if you want to skip trace your files, you can do so directly in the My List section right here. There are a million reasons real estate professionals are moving from DealMachine to BatchLeads. It could be the skip tracing credits, the skip tracing accuracy, the listing data, the real estate agent data. I mean, the list goes on. If you're curious about how to make the most of your BatchLeads subscription, head to the Help Center of your BatchLeads account and check out our tutorials or our knowledge base. There are some really cool features you might not even know about. Thank you so much for watching and for being a BatchLeads subscriber. You made the right choice.